Great benefits of the radish. As my dear friends of YouTube are, I hope that this Christmas and end of the year party has been very favorable for all of you. Always sharing with the family and with the beings that you most love, I wish with all my heart that this is a year full of blessings and satisfactions in everything that is proposed in love and with their families. Good, my dear friends, in this opportunity we will talk about the great benefits of the radish. The radish is a plant that has the particularity that can be used from the root to the leaves. This vegetable root is very versatile and serves as a companion for soups and salads, among other dishes. All this, without talking about the benefits of radish for health. Among them are its power to relieve constipation and improve kidney problems. On the other hand, it should be noted that different varieties of this food are found. There is purple radish, black and white, for example. Also, there is the elongated or the round. The good thing about this product is that, despite its disparate classes, all report great health benefits. Therefore, it is not in vain one of the most common ingredients in Asian cuisine. 10 benefits of radish for the body. The curiosities and myths that surround the benefits of radish are such that, in ancient medicine, it was consumed just before each meal as an antidote to poison. Of course, it was mixed with lemon, nuts, and celery. Another use that was given was the tranquilizer. Therefore, it was eaten to speed up the process of sleeping well. Improves kidney problems. Due to the diuretic properties of radish, it is optimal to detoxify the body and thus help people suffering from kidney disorders to reduce their problems. Likewise, the intake of this product is favorable to relieve the urinary tract in the presence of inflammatory infections and, thus, reduce burning when urinating. It also increases urinary production, which is why it collaborates in the kidney stone extraction process. It's good for the liver. The leaves of this root are recommended to combat liver diseases such as jaundice because they promote the oxygenation of the body. Also, they expel the bilirubin, thus allowing the liver to work properly. It helps in the care of the skin and prevents aging. Because radish contains a large percentage of water, it manages to hydrate skin cells. With regard to the damage that free radicals do, they are combated by the antioxidants present in the food. This effect is reflected in the improvement of spots and scars. And if the skin is hydrated and healthy, it is obvious that the signs of aging will take time to appear. You can apply the raw and ground radish directly on the skin or simply incorporate the food into your usual diet. Collaborate with the treatment of diabetes. Radishes stand out from the group of root vegetables because they contain a lot of fiber and antioxidants. These contain very low carbohydrates, as well as a minimum glycemic index. These characteristics make this product a good companion of diabetic diets. Prevents cancer. Since one of the benefits of radish is that it can destroy cancer cells, its intake is recommended. Likewise, it prevents the effect of free radicals. Relieves respiratory diseases. As part of the important benefits of radish, it is found that it strengthens the immune system, protecting it from infections such as the common cold. In fact, this food is able to clear the mucus thanks to its astringent properties. For the same reasons, along with its anti-congestion properties, the vegetable root helps in the treatment of asthma, cleanses the sinuses and reduces the risk of suffering from allergies and infections. Stimulates weight loss. Since it contains almost no calories, this product has a diuretic function that stimulates the detoxification of the body through increased urination. That way, if they release the retained liquids, favoring the loss of weight. Calm constipation. Both the high presence of fiber and water in the radish, the consumption of this vegetable stimulates the secretion of gastric juices, as well as intestinal functions. All this derives in the expulsion of the feces of natural way when regulating the digestive system. They are diuretics. Radishes are composed in large percentage by water. This means that apart from being low in calories, it keeps the body hydrated and also helps to get rid of those unwanted toxins. Look at this list of foods to keep you hydrated. Thus, radishes favor not only the digestive system but also the kidneys, the gallbladder, the liver, the circulatory system and more. It promotes blood pressure. The radish leaves help to create a harmony between potassium and sodium. That way, it benefits people who have high blood pressure problems. This is so because the blood vessels relax, which produces an increase in blood flow. Combat cardiovascular diseases. Radish is high in potassium, which has a healthy impact on the regularization of blood pressure, one of the main risk factors for cardiovascular diseases. It also has a type of flavonoid that has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps correct blood circulation. Reduces hemorrhoids. Since one of the benefits of radish is that it helps fight constipation and digestive problems. Diuretic radishes are composed in large percentage by water. This means that apart from being low in calories, it keeps the body hydrated and also helps it get rid of those unwanted toxins. To stay hydrated, the intake of this root is capable of relieving the symptoms of hemorrhoids. It is thanks to water and fiber that the production of soft stools is favored and, in this way, the body makes less effort when it comes to evacuation. Thus, the conditions for a complete healing are improved. Nutritional properties. Now that you know what the benefits of radish are, it is also important that you know what all their properties are so that you can get the most out of this food. Water, antioxidants, anthocyanins, sulfur, calcium, vitamin A, enzymes, fiber, vitamin B, phosphorus, vitamin C, iron, vitamin E, magnesium, niacin, potassium, sodium, iodine, zinc. Contraindications of radish. Everything and that the benefits of radish are several. The intake of this plant can also lead to some health problems that must be taken into account. On the one hand, people suffering from hypothyroidism should not eat raw radishes. In this way, they will prevent their disorder from getting worse because of goitrogen, a substance present in that food. However, cooking the product is neutralized. Because radish is a diuretic food, its excessive consumption could make the kidneys have to work others. Also, losing so much water could lead to dehydration. Eating lots of radishes can also be a contraindication to health because it can lower blood pressure a lot. This situation can end in hypotension, that is, low blood pressure. That's why you should always keep in mind that nothing in excess is good. Twice a week is enough. Good, my dear YouTube friends, I hope this information is very useful for your health. In my next report I will give you a few recipes with radishes to help them in some aspects of our health if they like not to stop giving it. But above all, share it with all your friends and family. Thanks for everything and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. To see my next videos you have a very productive weekend and full of good times, many blessings.